changing your physiology. Now, this is something that I first learned from Tony Robbins when I went to his seminar, Unleash the Power Within. Tony explained that one of the most powerful ways to change your emotions is to change your physical state. He also explains this in great detail in his books, Unlimited Power and Awaken the Giant Within. In the seminar, Tony actually made us walk on a 10-feet bed of red, hot, burning coals, bare feet. Now, how did we do it? Well, one of the most important elements of that is body language. Tony taught us how to manage our body language in face of fear. So when I was standing face to face with that bed of red, hot, burning coals, I was not standing fearfully in a timid pose. I was standing tall with my head held high, my shoulders back, and occupying a lot of space. That had a very intense effect on my emotions. Instead of feeling scared, I was excited for this challenge, and I stormed across that bed of red, hot, burning coals bare feet. Wow. And in the book Presence, Harvard University professor Dr. Amy Cuddy shares research that actually shows the science behind why this works. So when we take on these power poses, when we stand tall with head held high, shoulders back, chest out, our dominance hormone, testosterone, increases and our stress hormone, cortisol, decreases, which dramatically changes our emotions. On the other hand, when we take on powerless poses, like holding your head down, sinking your chest in, and taking up less space, our dominance hormone, testosterone, decreases and our stress hormone, cortisol, rises. And this leads us to feeling more fearful. So this is one of the easiest solutions for managing and controlling your emotions. Anytime you want to change your emotional state, just change your body language and you'll see how quickly it works.